Imagine being faced with a deadly form like this. Now, not many people would survive such a big form. But today, with AI, you can have this entire form filled with one click with this new Chrome extension. Have a look at this. You click the Chrome extension, paste your messy data into here. Let me type, for example, a name, John, and click Zipifil. And what you're about to see, it's actually going to fill in the form in the correct fields. Now, if you think that was amazing, what you're about to see is even better. If you save your details in an address book and then click Zipifil, this is magic. The entire form is going to get filled with your data. Yes, you just saw that. I'm not editing over here. Now, the best part is this could work perfectly for drop shippers and people who constantly filling forms in their business. Now, this doesn't only work on address forms, as you can see. It also works on other forms. Like, for example, when you fill in product details, things like that. As long as you have the information, doesn't matter if it's messy. Like, for example, if I type name Jason, it just removes that word name. It kind of just takes care of all the dirty business for you and fixes that for you. Now, it's absolutely unbelievable for anyone still filling forms and not taking advantage of AI. Zipifil is going to change your life.